I'm at the Gilmore Car Museum today at a show called the Celebration of Brass. Looking at a 1915 Buick Model C4. It's a 3/4 ton truck. So if you think that Buick only builds luxury cars, that wasn't always their thing. Very simple controls. How cool is that to see a Buick 3/4 ton pickup at a show? I knew they had trucks this early. I knew Buick existed. I did not know Buick made trucks. I gotta figure it's been restored at some point, but it looks like it was done a while ago. What a beautiful vehicle. Hope you like it.